Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: concurrently means events or situations happen at the same time. That is what we call it as concurrently. Simultaneously, synonyms: all at once, all together, coeval, jointly, unitedly, coexisting. So running parallelly, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: imbalanced, asynchronous, historical, non-simultaneous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: John is eating and dancing concurrently. He is doing concurrently. One more example also can be given. Hema's two dramas are being shown concurrently by rival television stations. That also can be given as one more example. Defile: to damage someone's good name or reputation. That is what we call it as defile. Corrupt, synonyms: degrade, desecrate, pollute, tarnish, molest, debase, smear. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: honor, praise, elevate, purify, cure, esteem, sterilize, sanctify. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the miscreants deliberately defiled all the holy places. Covert, hidden. So activities are secret, hidden. So not openly shown. What are all these synonyms? Undercover, secret, hideout, den, concealed, shelter, private, disguise. All these words can be related to synonyms. Now we have one more meaning. Covert means a group of small trees or bushes very close to each other where animals, birds, people can hide. That is also meaning of a covert. Antonyms: open, known, public, candid, frank, visible. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he has taken part in a number of military covert operations. He has taken part in a number of covert operations. Behind his soft behavior, he has some covert intentions. Behind his soft behavior, he has some covert intentions. That also can be given as one more example. Verbose, wordy, that means using or containing more words than necessary. Using or containing more words than necessary. So that is what we call it as verbose. Synonyms: gabby, circumlocutory, garrulous, talkative, loquacious, redundant, bombastic, repetitive. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: short, concise, succinct, laconic, brief, compact, terse. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Mohan's writing is difficult and often verbose. Mohan's writing is difficult and often verbose. Epidemic. What is epidemic? A disease can be declared as epidemic when it spreads over a wide area and many individuals are taken ill at the same time. That is what we call it as epidemic. But if the spread escalates further, an epidemic can become pandemic, which affects even wider geographical area and a significant portion of the population becomes affected. That is what we call it as pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic, coronavirus, right? So synonyms: rampant, outbreak, widespread, rife, contagious, pandemic, explosion, endemic, eruption. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: limited, local, slum, doldrums, calm. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: in 1888 there was an epidemic of yellow fever. Poverty in this country has reached epidemic proportions. That one also given as a one more example. Clear? Bicker, squabble, argue about petty and trivial matters. Argue about petty and trivial matters. What is trivial? unimportant, silly. Hope you remember, we already discussed trivial, trivial, unimportant, silly. So argue about petty and trivial matters is what we call it as bicker. Synonyms: argue, squabble, quarrel, disagree, altercate, wrangle, hassle. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: agree, get along, accept, consent, concede, conquer, make peace. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, best example, all wife and husbands usually bicker over tiny issues. True na? Me too. Eminently, to a great degree, significantly, so very, that is what we call it as eminently, prominently. Clear? Synonyms: greatly, remarkably, notably, highly, deeply, totally, exceptionally. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unimportantly, hardly, barely, just, marginally, negligibly, scarcely. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the movie is eminently worth watching. The movie is eminently worth watching. His family was eminently respectable. His family was eminently respectable. The book is eminently worth reading. The book is eminently worth reading. Congregate, to gather into a large group, to come together in a large group of people or animals. So gather, that is what we call it as congregate. Synonyms: assemble, collect, convene, bunch up, meet, congress, team, rally. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disperse, scatter, divide, separate, distribute, spread. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, a crowd congregated around a city hall. Some hundreds of demonstrators congregate at a border point. One more example can be given. I hope you are clear. First one, moot. Often discussed, argued about, but having no definite answer. That is what we call it as moot. Even we can say not important, not relevant, therefore not worth discussing. That is what we call it as moot. Doubtful. Synonyms: controversial, dubious, undecided, uncertain, debatable. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: certain, definite, decided, sure, settled, resolved, unquestionable, proven. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the court's decision became moot when the defendant was found dead. The court's decision became moot when the defendant was found dead. One more example we can give. We don't have enough money to go, so it's all moot anyway. We don't have enough money to go, so it's all moot anyway. Next one, transpire, occur, of a secret or something unknown came to be known, is what we call it as transpire. Synonyms: arise, chance, to happen, take place, become apparent, become known, be disclosed, revealed. All these words can be related to synonyms. We do have one more meaning for transpire. If a body or a plant transpires, it loses water through its surface or skin. That is what we call it as transpire. So even some more synonyms can be added. Vaporize, evaporate can be added to synonyms for transpire. Antonyms: cause, stop, prevent, fail, recede, invalidate, disallow, keep down. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, what they thought which might have been interesting did not transpire. That means did not happen. What they thought which might have been interesting did not transpire. No one is willing to predict what may transpire at the peace conference. No one is willing to predict what may happen at the peace conference. A lot has transpired since we last spoke. A lot has transpired since we last spoke. All these can be given as examples. Clear? Emulate, copy, imitate. I don't think so I need to give any explanation for that, right? So imitate, mimic, follow. To copy someone's behavior or try to be like someone else because you admire or respect that person. That is what we call it as emulate. So again, synonyms: copy, imitate, mimic, follow, ditto, do like, make like, echo, mirror, reproduce. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: differ, oppose, neglect. Example, the kids emulated the characters very nicely in the play. He just wanted to emulate his dad. He just wanted to emulate his dad. That also can be given as one more example. Clear? Fetter. Fetter means to keep someone within limits or stop them from making progress, or to tie someone to a place by putting chains around their ankles. That is what we call it as fetter. Synonyms: confine, hamper, restrict, bind, hinder, handcuffs, curb. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: free, liberate, allow, assist, help, let go, release, permit. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, COVID-19 fettered the company from further investments. COVID-19 fettered the company, restricted the company from further investments. Clear? That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.